This video reviews Stairmaster Step Mill Preventative Maintenance. With durable, high-performance components, this equipment is designed for heavy usage with minimal maintenance required. To keep it in top condition, perform regular daily, weekly, and monthly routines outlined in this video. Recommended tools. Daily. Check safety and warning labels. Daily. Clean the side covers and display console. Note: always spray cleaning solutions onto a clean towel first, then wipe the equipment. Daily. Spot check the step chains. Ensure all chain and sprocket hardware is tight, in place, and the chains are properly tensioned so that the steps don't rub against the belly pan. Monthly. Check the alternator belt tension. You should be able to get a quarter turn or 90 degrees before feeling resistance on the belt. Adjust as needed. If you're using a belt tension meter, tension to 40 to 54 inch-pounds. Monthly. If flange kit or flange pulleys are present on an 8G, the drive belt may be looser than previously prescribed, but the flanges help keep it in place. Monthly. Lubricate the bearing plate with a thick multi-purpose grease and the drive chains with silicone spray, 3-in-1, or 30-weight motor oil. Ensure locations are clean and free from excessive dust and debris before applying lubrication. Note: apply lubrication, then wipe with a towel to ensure the lubrication does not drip. Every 3 months. Lubricate the pillow block bearings with multi-purpose grease using a grease applicator gun. Additional resources: the 8G Owner's Manual, the Assembly Manual, the 8G Service Manual, and the Open Hub Display Service Manual.